Hi, today I'm making a taco casserole. I really like this recipe. It combines a bunch of my favorites, so let's get started. I'm going to begin with 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 cup of salsa, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, a package of taco seasoning, as well as a half a cup of chopped tomatoes and a half a cup of green onions, a cup of corn chips, a half a cup of Doritos, and a small can of black olives. We're going to begin by browning our hamburger meat in a pan and just letting it cook down. But while it's cooking, I am going to add 1 package of taco seasoning. Given all the additional ingredients, this will be all the seasoning that you'll need for this casserole. So I'm going to just cook it right in there and make sure all of the taco seasoning is combined with the hamburger. And then once it's done, you can drain off the fat or you can keep the drippings, it's your choice. But you want to just make sure that the meat is completely brown. Next, I'm going to add a 15.5 can of chili beans. Now, I've drained off the juice of the beans. Doesn't matter what brand. You're just going to add those to the cooked hamburger meat and combine that and stir that until it's all, mixed in. I'm adding 1 cup of salsa. It can be hot or mild. It's your choice. And then I'm going to just pour that in and let the salsa and the beans and the hamburger cook down for about 10 minutes on low heat. Next, I have 1 cup of corn chips, just regular corn chips, and I'm adding them to my casserole dish. And you can add more if you like, but they serve as the first layer. I'm going to pour the chili beans on top of the corn chips. Now, if you want to, you can add sour cream at this juncture. I chose not to. I instead added the black olives for the next layer. And then I added 2 cups of cheddar cheese and just made sure that that was spread out throughout the casserole. And then finally, I'm just adding the last of the black olives as well as a half a cup of tomatoes, the diced tomatoes, and then finally the half a cup of green onions. And again, I'm just spreading that out over the casserole. The last thing that I'm adding is about a half a cup of crushed Doritos. And I only add that to the top. Now, you could use Doritos at the bottom, but I like the flavor of the 2 types of chips. So I'm adding the Doritos, and then I'm going to transfer this casserole to the oven for about 20 minutes on 400 degrees. And we're just going to bake it until the cheese is melted and all the ingredients are warmed through. Once it's done, I'm going to just take it out, and it will look like this. Again, all the ingredients are just kind of nice and warm, and the cheese is melted. And I can serve this with either additional chips, or in this case, I decided to serve it with avocado. This is a very good casserole. I actually liked it a lot. It was a great recipe, and I was so glad I made the taco casserole. Enjoy.